Hi guys, let us look at some of the important headlines for 10th of September. Global news. AstraZeneca halts COVID-19 vaccine trial after unexplained illness. AstraZeneca has paused human trials of a COVID-19 vaccine it has developed in partnership with the University of Oxford. Apple seeks damage from Fortnite creator in App Store dispute. Apple Inc. on Tuesday filed counter claims against Fortnite creator Epic Games, asking for lost Apple Store fees and other damages, and seeking an order to stop the game maker from operating its own in app payment system. Apple and Epic have been in a legal battle since August, when the maker of the popular game launched its own in app payment system to circumvent what it called Apple's monopolistic practices. Apple's App Store requires the developers to use Apple's payment system and also to pay 30% commission. Fire breaks out at Greece's overcrowded Moria refugee camp. A fire broke at Greece's overcrowded migrant camp of Moria on the island of Lesbos early on Wednesday. Northrop Grumman names spacecraft in honor of Kalpana Chawla. The SS Kalpana Chawla will be launched into orbit from Virginia Space's Mid-Atlantic Regional Spaceport, Mars Wallops Island on September 29th. US revises its travel advisory for Pakistan, places it at level 3. The United States has revised its travel advisory for Pakistan, bringing it down to level 3 category of reconsider travel from the previous level 4 of do not travel category. Indian news. India's biggest syringe maker boosts productions to meet the coronavirus vaccine demand. Hindustan Syringes, one of the world's largest makers of the item, is ramping up the production to churn out a billion units, anticipating a surge in demand as the global race to find a coronavirus vaccine heats up. Drop in spot LNG rates fire gas powered plants. Gas fired power projects that had been idling due to high fuel prices are buzzing again, with the collapse in spot prices of liquefied natural gas (LNG). Fall in international prices benefits plants along the west coast more, particularly those in Gujarat, where the landed cost of domestic coal is high, and because Gujarat has a good gas transmission infrastructure. More Indians in Singapore returning home due to job losses, according to the envoy. More and more Indian workers are returning home as Singapore businesses cut down on workforce following the severe impact of novel coronavirus pandemic. Indian theoretical biz stares at rupees 3000 crore loss ahead of festive season. The theoretical market is staring at losses of almost 3000 crores across languages in the 6 months that theatres have remained shut since March, according to the trade experts. Of these, Bollywood or Hindi film industry accounts for around rupees 2000 crore. No Maratha quota for college admissions, jobs for now, according to the Supreme Court. The last category, company news. Silver Lake to invest rupees 7500 crores for 1.75% in Reliance Retail. The investment values Reliance Retail at a pre-money equity value of 4.21 trillion according to the Reliance Industries in a press statement. Silver Lake invests in Byju's, EdTech's valuation now at $10.8 billion. This year so far, Byju's has raised around $1 billion in funding, including its Series F rounds, which saw Tiger Global and General Atlantic earlier investing $200 million each. After Silver Lake, KKR may invest $1 billion in Reliance Retail, according to reports. KKR and Co., that is company, is in advanced talks to invest at least $1 billion in the retail business of Reliance Industries, reports Bloomberg, in what would be another big investment in the unit following Silver Lake's partners deal. Cube Highways raises 3500 crore from SBI to acquire NHAI toll roads. Cube Highways and Infrastructure, the biggest buyer of roads assets in India, on Tuesday said it has entered into a financing agreement with SBI for availing a term loan facility of rupees 3500 crore for TOT. TOT also stands for Toll Operate Transfer, Bundle 3 projects of National Highways Authority of India, NHAI. Dr. Reddy's launches Remdesivir under brand name Redix for COVID-19 treatment in India. According to a press release from the drug maker, the launch is part of the licensing agreement with Gilead Sciences Inc. that grants Dr. Reddy's the right to register, manufacture, and sell remdesivir, a potential treatment for COVID-19 in 127 countries, including India. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe the video.